This is Shyam. Today I would like to dedicate this session or this video especially to the teachers. Nowadays, almost all the teachers they are expert to prepare the question paper in Google form. But here, even though some teachers, those who are especially dealing the questions which is related with the diagrams, pictures, graphs, or tables, they are facing some problems to prepare the question papers in Google form. And this video will be a great solution to solve these issues. Okay, so we have to use a simple tool, simple default Windows tool that is named as snipping tool. How we have to get the snipping tools? Just we have to press Windows key. Along with that, just type snipping tool, it will appear. I will show you how to prepare this, and this will be very easy for you and very helpful for the teachers, those who are dealing all this type of questions. Okay. Now, as I said, to make this snipping tool, just we have to press the Windows key. Along with that, we have to just type snipping. Just type few letters of that. You will get it here. It will pop it out. So you have to just select that. So this is a snipping tool. It's ready for you now. This is a one method. Now, actually, the teachers, those who are depending on this type of diagrammatical question papers, they require the snipping tool almost every time whenever they are preparing the question. So there is one option where we can keep the snipping tools in the taskbar. Taskbar is here, this area is known as the taskbar. So for that, the same process, just click the Windows key or press with the mouse, then just type SNIP. It came up. Now pin to the start and pin to the task. You can select pin to the taskbar. So it will appear here permanently. It will be easy for you to select from here instead of going through Windows key and typing all those stuff. Okay. Now, to prepare the question paper, of course, all of you know that we have to open the Google form. Okay, so this is a Google form here. Just I kept it open here for you for the easy process. Now we have to, as you know how, we have to give the title of the form. So here I am giving Google form. Okay, we'll make it as a proper form. Snipping tool. Okay, now here is a thing. Now here there is an option to insert the image. So this is a basic thing which we are using for this type of questions. Now to prepare the question, just I have some previous past paper question. Now I would like to take this question as a base of our reference. Okay, so now the question is ready. We can take the snipping tool. Is a tool which we can capture the area of the desktop. So whatever is open in the desktop, we can take a snapshot of that. It's just a photo of the portion of the desktop. That's the main process, or that's the main function of the snipping tool. So whatever the software we are depending, it's not a matter. Okay, now I want to open the snipping tool to take a snapshot of this area. So I'm using the first method by pressing Windows key. Along with that, typing SNI. Okay, it pop out here. So I'm taking that. Now it is active. Now we have to select the area where we want to capture this picture. So I want from, just I will drag it out here. I want from here, sorry, take a new. From here I want to take the screen. So this is a screenshot I require to paste in the Google form as a part of my question. Okay, so just remove the click. It's already captured. Now we have to serve for our purpose to paste it into the Google form. So go for save. Here is a save button, or else you can go for the file, save, Control S, or go for the file and save. So better we can go through this area directly to save. Now it is so just I put for a time being I will create a new folder with today's date. Okay, I want to open the folder. In this folder, I have to keep the captured figure or the captured area. So just I'm keeping it as, I'm just renaming the area as 1. Okay, so that's done. So let me close all this area now. Fine. So if we open this folder, this is a diagram which we capture from that question paper. It's very much clear. Okay, now we have to insert this question to the Google form. So what we have to do means open the Google form. Rest of all the details you can give, as you know that I don't want to spend time for that. Just press the file where we are to insert. So there are different options are there. We can browse the picture if we know exactly where the location is. Okay, so here we know the location, so we can just go for the browse, and this is a folder which we created to keep all the screenshots. So just I am clicking it out. So this is a diagram which I want to insert in the Google form. Just select this. That's it. Now it is uploading to the Google form. Here it's. So this is a question. It's ready for you now. Okay, so rest of the things you know well. I don't want to spare time for that, like different types of options you can give for this. Like I'm taking the multiple choice for the easy purpose. Now we have to give the different options, okay, for the questions which is related with the diagram. So let me start with 94, then have to add one more option, that is 64. Then I want to add one more option here. I want to make it as 84. That's fine. Okay, so these are the options I given. So this is one portion is completed now. Okay, then I have to go to the next question here. This is a question number 2. Here also I will just try to introduce one table format of question. So what we have to do, again, here I just kept it open, one question which I prepared just few years before. Okay, so this is a diagram. This is a table which is related with the accords related question. So I want to paste this. Now I'm just capturing this picture from the Word. Okay, just to make sure that we can take this method, we can implement this method to different platform. Okay, so snipping tool is already open here, or else I'm just taking from the taskbar this time. Okay, just take a new. Then I don't want to take the question number. I have to take only this area. I selected the area, just release the mouse, it's captured. Now I have to serve to the question number named as 2. The first one I made it as 1, the second one I'm just keeping it as 2 for the ease of reference. I closed everything now. Okay, then this is a question. Yeah, this is a part of the question which we capture now. Actually there is it's fine. Now again back to the Google form. Here is a second question. I'm just ignoring remaining everything, coming to the straight point. Here there's another option we can browse, which I explained in the previous question. Here if you are not able to know the location of the file where you saved, or if it is in the desktop, instead of sparing more time to browse and search all the materials, you can just drag and drop it out here. This is a folder we serve the capture area, and this is a question. Here you can just drag and drop it. It will upload. Same, the function will be same as it is before how we did. Now this is the second question. Okay, so here you can give the options, whatever the options you want. the same way. Now I'm adding, so like this you can prepare the questions. Hope it's very useful for the teachers, those who are dealing with this type of questions. Okay, so that's it. I don't want to spare much more time for this, how to prepare the question, how the essay in the marks and rest of the things. If you have any doubt related with this topic, this type of Google form topics which is related with the question papers, you can just give me feedback. I will be very happy to reply to you. And even I don't mind to make a slideshow or to a video like this to which will helpful for you. Okay, so I'm just depending on your feedback, and this is the ultimate for me. Actually, this was a basic thing which I want to explain you. The diagrammatical way of question paper, preparing the question paper in the Google form is very easy. This video, hope you are able to do the questions now with diagrams, pictures, graphs and tables, and more details regarding this snapping tool, how to use and how to crop the screen, how to save and insert in the Google form. Hope I did my level best to explain all this matters, and wish you all the best to all the teachers, and a sincere thanks to your service to the public, to the students, and even to the society. Those who are not subscribed my channel, you can subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos and all. If you have any queries, you are welcome. Bye.